My video guide is about removing the browser scam that is related to the website Kenus.info. Kenus.info. This is the website that displays a lot of fake alerts and misleading notifications that try to deceive people and to make them start interacting with these pop-ups. The website says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It also says that you need to click on this Stay Protected button, and definitely this is a serious mistake. At first glance, it might look as if these pop-ups are decent and as if they try to help you, but in reality they display faulty alerts. They are not related to this software that is mentioned here. And when you click on this Stay Protected button, you will be redirected to some other junk sites that may promote a totally different software. Very often these programs are considered to be potentially unwanted applications that don't really help. So these pop-ups by Kenus.info are absolutely faulty and deceptive, and you should not trust or interact with them. The only correct solution is just to leave this page. Speaking about the source of these pop-ups, they may be related to some adware in your computer. So, of course, first thing you could do, and you should do, is checking the control panel. If you find any suspicious programs, get rid of them. We also recommend investigating your device with Combo Cleaner, the powerful antivirus that can help you remove all other hidden threats from your system. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.